My name is Laiba Khan, and my name is Anzila Tariq, and my name is Fatma Khalid. Today we are going to learn about the temporary and the permanent hardness of water by using EDTA. EDTA method is used to determine the hardness of water. Why EDTA is used to determine the hardness of water? Because EDTA is a substance which can easily help us to determine the amount of hardness that is in the water or the amount of the impurities that are present in the water. The apparatus which are required for the determination of the hardness of water are burette stand, burette, conical flask, beaker and pipette. The chemicals which are required are EDTA standard solution, water sample, boiled water 20 ml, raw water 20 ml, EBT indicator and the buffer solution which is ammonia buffer whose pH is 9 to 10. Principle. This experiment is based on the principle of complexometric titration, where the EDTA, which is ethylene diamine acetic acid, which is a chelate reagent, combines with the magnesium and the calcium salts present in the water to form a chelate complex. In this experiment, the Irochrome black tea (EBT) is used as an indicator. Let we discuss the chemical reaction which occurs during the experiment. In this experiment, the calcium and the magnesium ions which cause the hardness of water combines with the indicator which is EBT to form a chelate complex which is calcium and magnesium EBT. Then this chelate complex is titrated against the EBTA solution in which the calcium and the magnesium combine with the EDTA and Irochrome black tea is formed. The color of the titrate solution is blue, which is the end point of the titration. Now we will discuss about the procedure. Take raw water sample of 20 ml in conical flask and 10 ml of buffer solution in it. Now titrate this solution against EDTA which is taken in the burette. Before performing the titration, gently shake the solution and add 2 to 3 drops of EBT indicator in the solution. The color of the solution becomes wine red. After titrating the solution, the red color of the solution turns to blue. The reading of the consumption EDTA is noted carefully. Calculation for the determination of temporary hardness in water. Volume of sample is 20 ml. Initial reading is 0 and the final reading is 19. The titrate volume final reading minus initial reading is equal to 19. The formula using for the determination of the hardness in water is hardness of water is equal to volume of EDTA divided by volume of water multiplied by 1000 is equal to 19 over 20 and multiply by 1000. The answer is 95 milligram per liter. The 1 liter is equal to 1 decimeter per cube and 1 decimeter per cube is equal to 1000 ml. Calculation for the determination of permanent hardness in water. Volume of sample is 20 ml, initial reading is 0 and the final reading is 1.6. Titrate volume, final reading minus initial reading is equal to 1.6. Formula. Hardness of water is equal to volume of EDTA divided by volume of water multiplied by 1000 is equal to 1.6 over 20 multiplied by 1000 and the answer is 80 milligram per liter. Calculation for the determination of total hardness of water. The volume of EDTA used with raw water is 19 ml. Volume of EDTA with boiled water is 1.6 ml and the volume of EDTA with salts is equal to 19 minus 1.6 is equal to 17.4. Formula. The total hardness of water is equal to volume of EDTA over volume of water multiplied by 1000. The total hardness of water is equal to 17.4 divided by 20 multiplied by 1000 and the answer is 870 milligram per liter. Take 20 ml of raw water and add buffer solution which is ammonia buffer whose pH range is 9 to 10. Gently shake the solution before adding 2 to 3 drops of EBT indicator. Now we will add 3 drops of ABT indicator in the solution. By shaking it, the color of the solution becomes wine red. Now we will start the titration against EDTA until its color turns to blue. Then we will perform the titration until its color turns to blue. Finally, the wine red color of the solution turns to blue. The reading of the consumption EDTA is noted carefully. Now we will take 20 ml of boiled water and add buffer solution, which is ammonia buffer, whose pH range is 9 to 10. Before performing the titration, gently shake the solution before adding 2 to 3 drops of ABT indicator. Now we will add 3 drops of ABT indicator. Again we will perform the titration against EDTA, which is taken in the burette, and after performing the titration the color of the solution turns to blue and the reading of the consumption EDTA is noted carefully again.